Hello, today I'd like to talk about maraging steel, a material you definitely want to know if you are using metal 3D printers for mold production. Maraging steel is a high-strength, high-toughness metal based on iron and nickel. Unlike typical steels that are hardened by heat treatment, this material hardens through aging treatment, making it rather unique. Its name comes from combining martensite plus aging, maraging. In addition to excellent mechanical properties, it has good weldability and printability, making it a popular and relatively trouble-free material in metal 3D printing. The greatest feature of maraging steel is that it can increase hardness at relatively low temperatures via aging treatment, with very minimal dimensional change. If subsequent heat treatment causes major dimensional distortions, then spending time on precise cutting with LUMEX will be pointless, right? So let's take a look at dimensional changes caused by aging treatment using this part of a sample manufactured with the LUMEX hybrid method. This first graph shows the dimensional accuracy data right after printing. You can see it has been printed with a precision of ± 25 microns. Now, here are the dimensional measurements after the aging treatment. Although there is some overall shrinkage, there is no significant dimensional change. Yet, the hardness of the printed part has increased from HRC 36 to HRC 53. But ideally, you want to minimize even these dimensional changes, right? To do that, you can design the mold slightly larger in advance, anticipating the shrinkage. This approach applies not only to the shrinkage caused by aging treatment, but also to the thermal effects of laser irradiation during the normal printing process. This maraging powder material is extremely well suited to the LUMEX hybrid method of additive manufacturing and machining. To be honest, it still can't quite match the ultra precision micron level tolerances achieved by machine centers. However, it offers unique advantages that simply cannot be achieved through conventional methods. We invite you to experience the capabilities of LUMEX for yourself. Feel free to contact us for our contract production services.